What's going on, guys? Matt here with another Tech Tip Thursday for you. Another super basic thing this week, but something that's often overlooked is tire pressure. Tire pressure is very important for safety of the vehicle, drivability, tire wear, the whole nine. So just a couple quick things we want to show you guys just to ensure that you have the correct tire pressure for your vehicle. You can always find the recommended tire pressure. I say always, typically find the recommended tire pressure right here in the door jamb. On this sticker here, it'll show both the front and the rear tire pressure. Some vehicles have staggered tire pressure, meaning the front and the rear will be different, but most vehicles will run the same tire pressure in the front and rear. Now keep in mind that the pressures on this sticker are for setting the cold tire pressures. As you drive and those tires heat up, they'll start to expand the air inside and the pressure will actually come up inside those tires. So this is what the manufacturer recommends for cold tire pressure. The biggest way that you can keep your tires from changing temperature as they heat up is to get them filled up with nitrogen instead of oxygen. Nitrogen is much more stable with temperature, so you don't see those fluctuations in tire pressure that you get when they're filled with oxygen. But if you have any questions for us, if you'd like us to come by and take a look at your tires, take a look at the wear, tell you what you may be doing right, what you may be doing wrong, just give us a call. We can get you checked out. Thanks.